So in this video guys, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo kung bakit isotretinoin ang pinaka-the best treatment for acne. So sa previous video, pinaliwanag ko sa inyo ang pinaka-main causes ng ating acne, which is number 1, excessive sebum or oil production because of our hyperactive oil glands. Number 2 are microorganisms such as your Cutibacterium acnes. Number 3, abnormal differentiation and hyperkeratinization or abnormal na pagtubo ng mga skin cells around the pores or hair follicles na siya namang nagsasanhi ng skin plug or ang pagbara ng ating pores. And number 4, inflammation. So, ang nangyayari kasi guys, pag nagtitake po tayo ng isotretinoin, gradually, yung mga hyperactive oil glands natin ay lumiliit sila or nag-atrophy sila. At the same time, nawawalan po din sila ng function or hindi na sila masyadong nagiging hyperactive. Kaya wala na masyadong magpuproduce ng excessive oiliness sa ating balat. So in this manner, isotretinoin is able to address the first cause of acne, which is excessive oiliness. So second, yung microorganism naman, no? So since the microorganism actually rely on the sebum or yung oiliness natin, so pag nag-decrease ang oiliness ng ating mga pores and ng ating balat because of isotretinoin, so wala na masyadong makakain yung ating mga microorganisms kagaya ng Cutibacterium acnes and fungus sa ating mga pores. At dahil dito, bababa ang population nila. At dahil dyan po, nare-regulate ang population ng ating mga Cutibacterium acnes. And because of that, guys, isotretinoin is somehow able to indirectly help with the second cause of acne. So, paano naman ang number 3, ang abnormal keratinization and differentiation of perifollicular or skin cells around the hair follicles and pores? Well, guys, isotretinoin is a vitamin A derivative and it somehow affects skin cells that abnormally differentiates and abnormally hyperkeratinize. Meaning, as we take isotretinoin, yung mga cells natin na abnormal ang pagtubo around the hair follicles, nare-regulate po sila. Over time, nagbe-behave po sila and somehow nagno-normalize po ang function nila. Eventually, yung kanilang keratinization and the way they differentiate, nagno-normalize din over time. And because of this, hindi tayo magkakaroon ng skin plugging or bara sa ating mga hair follicles and pores. And this will actually lead to the improvement and prevention of microcomedones and acne in the future. So in this case, isotretinoin directly contributes the resolution of abnormal differentiation and hyperkeratinization of skin around the hair follicles and pores. So paano naman, Doc, yung number 4 cause of acne, which is inflammation? Well, guys, isotretinoin can actually have an indirect effect on the local inflammatory process of your skin because, number 1, you know that sebum is very inflammatory to the skin. Excess sebum, very inflammatory yan sa skin. Ayaw na ayaw yan ng balat natin sa loob. Kasi guys, kung meron tayong accumulation of sebum and kung pumutok yan doon sa loob, and it dissects into our tissue, it will cause an inflammatory process. But since isotretinoin regulates the sebaceous secretion and sebaceous or oil production of our hair follicles and skin, then you also improve the inflammatory profile of your skin. And also, guys, since it impacts the sebum production or the availability of sebum for the microorganisms to eat, you actually regulate also the number of population of Cutibacterium acnes. And because the bacteria is not overpopulating, hindi po sila dumadami, they also contribute to a better inflammatory profile. Lastly, guys, isotretinoin has been observed to exhibit anti-inflammatory effects because of its ability to modulate immune responses. So may potential pala si isotretinoin na baguhin ang mga activity ng ating inflammatory mediators and inflammatory cells, thereby contributing directly to the improvement of local skin inflammation and also systemic inflammatory markers as well. And so given, guys, that isotretinoin can actually target the multiple essential causes of acne, its ability to induce long-lasting remissions from acne, and also its ability to prevent acne scarring when used properly in the proper dosing and duration, actually makes isotretinoin one of the best treatments for acne. But of course, guys, isotretinoin comes with side effects. And if you're interested to do isotretinoin, kailangan po maklear muna kayo ng inyong dermatologist. And importante po ang lab monitoring. Importante po ma-establish ang inyong baseline laboratories and kailangan din po ang regular monitoring ng inyong laboratories to make sure that your transition to clear skin is smooth and wala pang problema. So if may mga questions kayo about isotretinoin, you can message me here or you can comment below. Alright guys, for more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!